Welcome to the first THS Makerspace tutorial. This tutorial will teach you how to print with a single extruder Makerspace printer. There are 3 steps to 3D printing: getting the file, importing the file, and starting the print. There are 2 main ways to get 3D files, from an online database like Thingiverse or a design software like Tinkercad. For this tutorial, we will be using those examples. First, we will be using Thingiverse. Thingiverse is an online collection of 3D files that is very useful for getting what you need very quickly. Simply go to their website, search what you are looking for, click on the files, then download. Through design software like Tinkercad, we can create our own 3D designs. First, log in or create an account, then create or choose a design, then export the file to an STL format. Press the load button in the 3D printing software, find your file, and import it. In the preview window, make sure you have the correct file. Generally, you want the 3D printer settings to be temperature 195 degrees Celsius, plate temperature 50 degrees Celsius, infill standard 10%. If you have a wider top print, the top layer of plastic will not have much of a base with low infill. So for wider top prints, increase the infill. The software will give you a time estimate, which can be very useful. Now go to File, Print, and print the piece. Thank you for watching, and this has been a THS Makerspace tutorial.